Welcome friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Devu's Tech Guide. Today I am going to show you the unboxing review video of Samsung refrigerator. I have ordered this product from Flipkart, and as it is a doorstep delivery, the delivery man came into my room and they unboxed the refrigerator. Then I give him the OTP and the delivery is completed. As you can see here, it is a floral pattern design in the door and it looks quite awesome. In the interior section you can find one bottle rack, egg tray and deep door guard into the bottom to keep 2 liters of bottle. Here the deep refrigerator and one tray for egg and fishes, and the rack is made up of toughened glass. Here is the vegetable tray. It contains the manual and image illustration how to install and use the refrigerator. So it comes with 20 years of warranty. That is a quite good option. No other brand give you 20 years of warranty of compressor and 1 year of warranty of the outside overall other things. The back side is plain and it is easy to clean, and there is no netting or pipelines in the back side. Here is the tray that accommodates the water whenever defrosting, manual defrosting is done. In the bottom there is the compressor and it is overall look. And if I consider the other specification, it comes with a base dryer. It is also quite a good option because in the base dryer you can store some vegetables that don't need cooling like potatoes, onions, etc. And the other benefit is that you don't have to buy any other stand to keep your refrigerator on the stand because it acts like a inbuilt stand. Okay, so the quality of that tray is also quite good. And I have purchased this product. It cost me rupees 13,600 as I get one discount of 1,500 rupees as I opted for no cost EMI with my Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. Here you can see here the temperature control button. There is mainly 3 setting for summer, monsoon and winter. It is the deep refrigerator. Here you can see only one ice tray is given, as other brands also provide just only one ice tray with their product. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. There is some image illustration of the interior side of the refrigerator and the outside. Thanks for watching.